Ralph here. We're making nectarine wine here in Central Washington. Earlier I picked about 30 pounds of nectarines off the tree, pitted them. That took about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to feed them in this nice little grinder and see how well that does the job. Looks like we can take maybe half a load there and run it through. Let's see now, which way do we turn those? There we go. And it is, that fruit is dropping down, really squishing up good. See it just, those steel spikes are just destroying those nectarines. That's the idea. I'm going to get the rest of this in. And we'll get it going. In here, of course, in the bucket, got a nylon straining bag. It looks like it slipped. That's all right. And we're getting it in. Cranks pretty easy. I think with even apples, it wouldn't be a problem. Of course, you wouldn't have to pit them either. There we go. What was that? Maybe a couple of minutes worth of crushing. Let me take that off. We can see what it looks like. I'd say that's a pretty good crush. We'll be throwing some sugar and some other things with that and have a nectarine wine. And cheers!